The PMBOK, which stands for Project Management Body of Knowledge, is crucial as it offers a standardized framework and best practices for effective project management. Its significance lies in providing a comprehensive guide that facilitates efficient planning, execution, and control of projects, ultimately leading to a successful outcome. Hey there, welcome to this session on the PMBOK 7th edition. In this session, we will explore the key knowledge areas covered in the PMBOK guide, followed by the major updates and changes introduced in the 7th edition, and highlight the key distinctions in PMBOK 7th edition. But before we begin, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka. Also, have a look at the PMP certification training course by Edureka, globally recognized in project management. Our live instructor-led training covers key project management concepts from the PMBOK Guide 7th edition, aligning with the latest PMP exam content outline. Enroll now to learn the universal language of project management. The Project Management Body of Knowledge is a comprehensive guide that outlines the fundamental practices and principles of project management. It serves as a foundational reference for project managers, practitioners, and organizations worldwide, offering a framework to effectively manage projects across various industries and sectors. PMBOK was developed by the Project Management Institute. The PMBOK guide initially emerged in 1980s. Over time, it has undergone several revisions and updates to reflect the evolving landscape of project management practices, methodologies, and industry best practices. The evolution of PMBOK standards can be traced through its various editions, with each edition incorporating new insights, methodologies, and feedback from project management professionals globally. As project management itself has evolved, the PMBOK has expanded to encompass a broader spectrum of project management knowledge, tools, and techniques. This modern edition combines the standard for project management and the PMBOK guide, presenting 12 principles of project management and 8 performance domains crucial for successful project outcomes. Also, do check out Edureka's Project Management Master Program, designed by industry experts, offers a complete education in project management. Our range of courses lets you earn 60+ PDUs, keeping your PMI certification active, while giving you flexibility in your learning journey. This program helps you gain expertise across domains to become a certified project management professional, following PMBOK 7th edition's best practices. Join our project management training now to enhance your skills. Now, let us go through the key knowledge areas the PMBOK guide covers. The PMBOK guide typically covers key knowledge areas essential for successful project management, including project integration management, in which it helps coordinations and integration of various project elements. Then, project scope management. It helps defining, managing, and controlling project scope. Then, project schedule management. It helps in planning, scheduling, and controlling project timelines. Afterwards, we have project cost management. It helps in estimating, budgeting, and controlling project costs. And then we have project quality management, which helps in ensuring project deliverables meet quality standards. And the next key area is project resource management. It helps in managing human and physical resources for the project. Then, project communication management. It helps in handling project communications effectively. And the next key area is project risk management. It helps in identifying, analyzing, and mitigating project risk. Then, project procurement management. Procuring goods and services for the projects. And finally, we have project stakeholder management, which helps in managing relationships with project stakeholders. Now, let's move on to understanding what PMBOK guide is. The PMBOK guide 7th edition represents a significant shift in approach from its predecessor. Unlike the previous edition that focused on processes and knowledge areas, the 7th edition emphasizes principle-based project management. It aims to provide a flexible framework that adapts to various project types, methodologies, and approaches. Now, let's discuss the key updates and changes in the 7th edition. The first update is principle-centric approach. The 7th edition introduced 12 principles that form the foundation of successful project management. This principle guides practitioners in making decisions and navigating complexity throughout the project lifecycle. Next, tailoring and flexibility. Unlike previous editions that followed a more perspective approach, the 7th edition emphasizes the importance of tailoring project management practices based on the project's unique characteristics, context, and needs. It acknowledges that one size does not fit all in project management. Then we have domains instead of knowledge areas. The knowledge areas in previous edition have been replaced by 8 performance domains, and they are stakeholders, team and resource management, life cycle management, project planning, delivery and control, work, measurement, performance and value, and then governance, and finally complexity and uncertainty. Next update is inclusion of agile and hybrid approaches. The 7th edition integrates agile and hybrid methodologies more explicitly. It focuses more on the importance of iterative and adaptive approaches in modern project management practices. Next, focus on value delivery. Emphasis is placed on delivering value throughout the project lifecycle, aligning with organizational objectives and ensuring that projects contribute to strategic goals. And then we have updated content and terminology. The language and terminology has been revised and updated to align with the current industry practices and to improve clarity and understanding. Next, digital transformation and technology. The 7th edition acknowledges the role of technology and digital transformation in modern projects. It addresses how technology can impact project management practices and outcomes. Next, emphasizes on leadership skills. The importance of leadership and interpersonal skills for project manager is highlighted, recognizing their role as driving project success. The PMBOK standards are shaped by various factors and principles to ensure a comprehensive and effective framework for project management. Several key components and principles influence the guidelines provided in the PMBOK guide include industry best practices. PMBOK standards are informed by established industry best practices. They integrate insights and lessons learned from successful project management approaches across various sectors and industries. Next, global input and expertise. The standards are developed with input from a diverse range of project management professionals, practitioners, academics, and experts from around the world. This collaboration ensures that the guidelines consider diverse perspectives and experience in project management. Then, continuous improvement. PMBOK standards undergo continuous refinements and updates to reflect emerging trends, technological advancements, and evolving practice in the field of project management. This principle ensures that the guidelines remain relevant and up to date. And then we have flexibility and adaptability. The PMBOK standard recognizes the need for flexibility and adaptability in project management. They provide a framework that can be tailored and applied to various project types, sizes, complexities, and industries. This adaptability allows practitioners to customize approaches to suit specific project needs. Then, alignment with organizational objectives. The guidelines emphasizes the importance of aligning project management practices with an organizational strategic goals and objectives. This alignment ensures that projects contribute to the overall success and objectives of the organizations. Next, principle-based approach. The PMBOK standards are guided by a set of principles that serve as a foundational value for effective project management. These principles include aspects like accountability, integrity, transparency, stakeholder engagement, and continuous improvement. Next, integration of knowledge areas. The PMBOK standard integrates various knowledge areas including scope, time, cost, quality, human resources, communication, risk, procurement, and stakeholder management. They emphasizes the interconnectedness of these areas and how they contribute to overall project success. And finally, we have emphasis on professional ethics. The guidelines highlight the importance of ethical behavior and professional conduct in project management. They emphasize adhering to ethical standards, integrity, and responsibility in managing projects and interacting with stakeholders. These components and principles collectively shape the PMBOK guidelines, providing a comprehensive and standard framework for project managers and practitioners to effectively plan, execute, monitor, control, and close projects while adhering to industry-recognized standards and best practices. Now, let's understand the key distinctions in PMBOK 7th edition. First, based on the approach. In 6th edition, it emphasized process-based methodologies, whereas in 7th edition, it shifted to a principle-based approach focusing on 12 guiding principles for project management. Next, performance domain versus knowledge areas. 6th edition was structured around 10 knowledge areas, example scope, time, and cost, whereas 7th edition organized into 8 performance domain focusing on a broader aspects like stakeholder management, governance, and value delivery. Next, based on flexibility and tailoring, 6th edition had a more perspective approach, whereas in 7th edition advocates for greater flexibility, tailoring project management approaches based on project context and needs. And then, 6th edition briefly touched on agile methodologies, whereas 7th edition integrates agile and hybrid methodologies more explicitly, acknowledging their significance in modern project management. Next, 6th edition focused on project deliverables and processes. 7th edition puts a strong emphasis on delivering value throughout the project lifecycle, aligning projects with strategic objectives. And with this, we have come to the end of this session. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!